Hey, I just want to share a quick tip on how I like to set up my bark busters or aluminum wraparound guards for trail riding in the woods. I bought this bike like this and I've just been too lazy to adjust them. So you can see that the guard is angled up a little bit, where I like to have it more pointed parallel with the ground. Because if it's like this and you hit a tree like that, it's more likely to get bumped up and then you're going to smack your lever or your hand on it. Whereas if you have it adjusted so that the guard is almost parallel to the ground, it's going to be a more direct contact, and having it like this, the bark buster is more likely to stay in that spot rather than be pushed up or pushed down. The only thing that you need to be concerned of is the cable routing. So you have this, you can flip this adapter around depending on where your cables are. Right here, it's better if it's underneath, and then the lever, so when you pull it in, make sure that it doesn't hit, where this one, it does rub a little bit. So I'm gonna break this loose, see if I can do it one-handed there, and then just slide it in. Make sure you get the angle right, and then as long as it doesn't rub, that looks good to me. Then you can tighten it back up. So you can see right here the height difference. This one is higher and this one is lower. This one is where I like it, and that is higher than I like it. Where do you like your bark busters adjusted? If you're new to trail riding, you should check out my video on how to take sharp turns without falling. The video is right here. I'm Kelly Fagan from MX Hideout. Ride safe, have fun.